Do you want to know how you can link your email address on Melbet? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can link your email address on Melbet. Go ahead and open melbet.in and log into your account. The next step is to go to your personal profile and click Send Email. A mail will be sent to your email which you have registered with Melbet, so go ahead and open your Google account. And you can see that there is a mail. Go ahead and click on it and click Confirm Email. And there you go, your email has been linked to your Melbet account. This is how you link your email with your Melbet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.